Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at a vital component for keeping your Ep-s0n printers running smoothly: the replacement parts for printer PRTA07898 compatible copier paper input gear. These are the essential paper continue gears, designed for Ep-s0n 590K, 1600K 3H, and 595K models, crucial for ensuring consistent and reliable paper feeding. This particular offering provides a substantial 30-piece slot, making it an excellent bulk purchase for ongoing maintenance or multiple repair projects. A critical detail for any potential buyer is the condition of these gears. The seller explicitly states that parts are sent by random, meaning one could receive either original refurbished or compatible new items. This transparency is highly appreciated as it sets clear expectations with the firm advice: please do not order if you mind about this. This means buyers must be comfortable with either possibility. An original refurbished part might appeal for its genuine heritage, while a brand new compatible part offers an untouched alternative. The key takeaway here is to understand and accept this variability before committing to a purchase, ensuring no surprises upon arrival. Beyond the condition, meticulous attention to compatibility is absolutely paramount. The seller strongly emphasizes the need to carefully inspect the item's appearance, size, and color, comparing it directly with your original part before ordering. It's crucial not to rely solely on the model number, as it's provided for reference only. If the part doesn't visually match your existing component, or if the part number isn't identical, it's a clear signal to reconsider. This level of due diligence is vital to prevent receiving parts that won't fit or function correctly, highlighting the precision required in printer component replacements. The inclusion of 30 pieces offers significant value, especially for those regularly servicing printers or managing a small fleet. A ready supply of these critical gears can drastically minimize printer downtime and the frustration of waiting for individual replacements. While the listing mentions 220V as mechanical gears, this likely refers to the printer's operating voltage, not the gears themselves. Ultimately, for the informed buyer comfortable with random refurbished or new compatible parts and diligent in verifying compatibility, this 30-piece lot of PRTA07898 gears presents a practical, cost-effective solution for maintaining Ep-s0n 590K, 1600K 3H, and 595K printers. It's a product tailored for the prepared DIY enthusiast or professional seeking reliable repair components.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.